The white SUV sped recklessly, far exceeding the speed limit. When the police signaled her to stop, she ignored them, claiming she was being chased, then slammed on the gas, accelerating to 115 miles per hour. She ran red lights, drove against traffic, and turned the streets into a scene of chaos and danger. The multi-mile chase ended with a decisive pit maneuver, forcing the SUV off the road. Ms. Wales was taken into custody at the county jail, visibly shaken, and now faces a series of serious charges. A costly lesson for resisting law enforcement. On the evening of February 3, 2025, Trooper Dylan Evans spotted a Dodge Charger speeding at 83 miles per hour on Interstate 40. Trooper Evans immediately gave chase and ordered the driver to pull over. The successful pit maneuver forced the Charger to stop. Williams was arrested with 90 grams of marijuana, facing multiple charges and will stand trial. The patrol car sustained over $5,000 in damages. The case is under investigation. A red Nissan Altima suddenly fled during a police stop, sparking an intense chase. The car recklessly drove into oncoming traffic, posing a severe danger to other vehicles.
Coming up on Walker Avenue. Right-hand turn on Bassett Street. Right-hand turn on Cambridge.
The police performed a spectacular pit, and the car still did not stop and continued to flee.
Cleveland Avenue exit. He is keeping straight across the intersection. He's 1050 with another vehicle. And he's still rolling left on Cleveland Ave. Drop his eye, three tires, failing him. He's out of control, almost at the pedestrian, Springdale Road. Getting out vehicle, Springdale Road.
At the intersection, the Nissan collided heavily with another vehicle but kept moving despite damaged wheels and a blown tire. The driver stubbornly tried to flee, dropping off a pregnant woman before speeding away again.
Rear driver's side tire is out, start line, he's out of control. Right now! Put your hands back! People are probably on Springdale Road. And there's like 51 towards Nissan Avenue.
The car turned onto a side road but was disabled due to severe damage. Police drew their guns and successfully subdued the driver, who was taken to jail after a medical check.
I'm good. That was dumb. Oh, yeah. Very famous old style that we have no outstanding correct. Go ahead, step back real quick. Did you get the passenger back there? We'll be back on our side. She was on Virginia Ave. She got out Virginia Ave and
The high-speed chase unfolded as the stolen vehicle tore down the road at 90 miles per hour, weaving through traffic and sending construction barrels flying. Even with a blown tire, the driver recklessly sped against traffic, pushing everything to the absolute limit.
Fled multiple times today from multiple agencies. He's also stated he won't be taking on. Passenger right, he's still in the wrong way of traffic. He's throwing construction barrel.
Their right rear tire down.
30, we're stopped.
Get on the ground right now! Get on the ground!
He just said that.
30, we're moving again. Still northbound, he's down on the rim. Right rear.
He's going west on Austin, wrong way traffic. Clear west on Austin, wrong way traffic, 1430. Right tire still on fire. 40 miles an hour approaching ship.
Watch the tire debris.
Lock the tire in the road, it's on fire. Come down on a curve, approaching Terra Manor, 30 miles an hour. Two-lane road.
Holy shit balls, Batman. Dude, my heart's racing, bro.
Approaching a river. 1614 back off a little bit. Weather's going to come to a stop.
Hey, if you're in front of a cruiser, get behind one. That's not covered.
Shut the vehicle off! Put your hands out the window now!
Looks like he's got a gun to his head.
You crossfired. Hey, if you are behind someone right now, you do not have a shot.
Hey, we don't want this to end with you getting hurt, buddy. We all want to go home, including you. Ain't nothing what you did worth taking anybody's life, including your own. You ain't done anything serious right here. What have you done bad? You ran from us, big deal. Drop the gun, I'll come talk. I can't talk to you until I can see your hands.
Corey, you're going to be over here on the arrest team. We got less lethal. Yeah, get here. I'm going to stay right here by this shield.
Has anybody notified the railway, the railroad?
We're going to start backing up here in a minute.
Out of your way, he's headed right down towards the train.
There's the train. He's going to get...
Suddenly, a train came barreling through, striking and knocking the vehicle off the tracks. Yet he stubbornly clung to his gun until the K9 unit and armored vehicle moved into position, forcing him to surrender. This intense chase ended with a $500,000 bail.
Don't rush the car! Hey! Don't rush the car! Hey! Hey! Don't rush the car! Crawl to us! Crawl to us! Crawl to us! Crawl to us! Crawl to the sound of my voice! Okay.
That morning, police spotted a silver Mustang with an expired license plate speeding at 115 miles per hour, running red lights, swerving between lanes, and losing control after a reckless U-turn, narrowly avoiding disaster.
He's going westbound like that.
The wrong way down the street.
13. person 13th and Main, and those one right there to your right.
After being forced off the road, the driver abandoned the car and fled on foot, but was caught hiding by the train tracks. His reckless escape led to charges of using a fake license plate and fleeing. The chase began when the suspect drove 60 miles per hour, recklessly going against traffic. Although the police attempted to stop him, the suspect lost control and crashed into another vehicle, making the situation even more dangerous.
Good spikes.
Hey, Gary 1, he's still continuing eastbound. We'll stay on him and call it. You guys can back up.
Yeah, we've turned off lights and sirens since you got him, Guardian.
Gary 1, just traffic collision there at the intersection.
West Valley.
He's getting out on foot, running northbound. He's going to try to jack somebody in a white SUV. The officer's got him at gunpoint, and he's running northbound, continuing northbound.
I got the dog. The dog.
He continued to flee, attempting to hijack a civilian's car. When he was tasered and fell to the ground, the police immediately took control of the situation, giving the suspect no further chance to escape. Police pursued a stolen Mercedes driven by a suspect wanted for assaulting an officer. At 110 miles per hour, he threw a white bag out the window and nearly caused a serious accident.
I believe that, oh, right there. Right there, just collided with a police cruiser. Let's see if this brings this to an end. He's on Monterey, and he may be running. He's running. Yeah, he's running here into the neighborhood. Units are approaching. And he's starting to give up. He's down on the ground just on the other side of the street. We will bring News Shopper 4 Alpha around to show you that. But again, a residential area in Burbank, just off of a street called Monterey Avenue, is where all this is coming to an end. Units getting into position to take him into custody. Burbank.
Finally, the suspect collided with a patrol car and abandoned the vehicle, fleeing on foot. After a brief chase, he was captured, ending his reckless escape with a series of serious charges.